What's up? It's KittiesMama here. This is day 20. You already know what it is. This is an advent calendar. Guys, take it away.
Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you want to watch these every day. I'm not going to say a time because it never happens. Emma, what's going on?
Well, it did happen sometimes.
This advent calendar was built by our father with a beautiful golden edges. And in each of these compartments, there's usually 5 gifts for each of the children our mother and father have given birth to.
But Emma!
You see 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Emma, you forgot one very important part. This advent calendar is so massive, it can't even fit within our reality without breaking space-time.
But it can fit in the frame.
It can't fit in the frame.
Let's get right on to number 20 because this video is going to be long.
Yeah, number 20!
Emma's opening it today.
I'm a capable woman!
Ah! Feminism! Equality! Feminism means equality.
Can you pass these? Alright, these! A pair of cool socks. These ones are for Jonah.
Alright, so we got these socks and they're pals. So they're like mismatched socks that are like friends. So you got a skeleton and a ghost and you're like, oh, those are friends.
That sounds awesome.
And these are from Pals. So thank you, Pals, for the free product.
These ones are no ones.
These are adorable. Look at them. Oh my god.
What are
These
they?
are so cute. They're mismatched socks, but they're friends.
They're pals.
This is a T-Rex and this is a Triceratops.
Let's see the back of it.
They're pals. They have a little, oh my gosh, it's adorable. It's absolutely adorable.
These are Micah's.
Wow, Micah up there.
Oh, I love them. I love them. Thank you, pals, for the free product.
Dog. And a cat.
These ones are mine. It's a unicorn and a dragon.
Oh
Let's see the
yeah.
back.
Hey, give me that.
It says, thank you and enjoy from Pals. If we don't match, let's be pals. We inspire the next generation of global citizens who have different kinds of friends with rad, mismatched socks.
Yes.
Hashtag we don't match, palsocks.com.
Last but not least, we have Luca's socks, which is the baby you hear crying every now and then.
Yeah, we got a polar bear and a penguin, I think. A Triceratops and a T-Rex again, and a bee and a bear.
Alright, I'm gonna get down from the ladder and have someone else take over the job because it's a wobbly ladder. And I don't like that.
What is this?
A Bibo!
It's a Beebo!
A better way to bottle feed. The Bibo!
Oh!
Shark Tank! You're welcome.
A Shark Tank item. So thank you to the Bibo for the free product. So let's take this out of the box and see what it is. Alright, Noah's gonna demonstrate it.
So basically, this is for men who want to feed their children.
And women.
But
It's
also,
for anyone.
It's for anyone. It mimics the female bodily figure.
This phone, yes, one or two. And then it rotates.
Wow.
Okay,
Look
like
at
that.
that.
Wow.
Wow, look at that.
But it's so you have a free hand.
You could also use this for like a can of Sprite cranberry. You could.
Okay, yeah.
Put
Okay,
can in
if
it.
I had like this on
A
me all the
straw.
time and I put like water inside of it, I could just go like this while I'm walking down the road and be like,
And if
and
you
then
had a
someone like
straw,
walks by me, they're like, and I'm like,
You gotta do
What?
what you gotta do.
Innovative.
I'm drinking from my Beebo. Well, if a
Eat up, baby.
Eat up.
It'll be useful. We'll use it. There's a lot of
Alright.
chaos involved.
Look at Micah.
Hold on, Mike is going to do. Help me put it on, Emma.
Now you can feed your baby brother, Micah.
Yay, Micah. You
Yeah.
can feed Luca hands-free. The bottle.
Alright, let's get right on into what else is in here. The next gifts are from our parents. We got a bag full of stuff from Sears for Noah.
Oh yeah.
What's in there, Noah?
I already know what's in here because last advent calendar they got me a bunch of button-ups.
Button-up shirts.
There's other stuff.
Here's a button-up. Red polka dots. Love it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay.
All right.
What's going on, Emma?
It was my shirt rack.
Alright.
So, and this is actually a neat shirt.
You don't need
It's
bottles.
like stretchy. It's like if I want to have a lazy day, or if I want to wear this as an undershirt, then that's what I do. another one. This is a white variant of that shirt. Wow.
A ghost, Anna. A ghost.
It's not
Unless it goes.
Oh, it's structure.
Yeah, it can
Structure.
go.
And,
Let me go.
oh, I like this one.
Let me
This one looks neat.
Neato.
Neato.
All right. Next bag. It's stuff from Hollister and another place for Emma. Emma, get out. Oh dang.
Take that. Well, I mean, this isn't from Hollister.
I don't like the one thing I don't like about Hollister. I'm not hating on Hollister. This is just my opinion. I don't like logos.
I don't
See how
really.
yours has a logo?
I like logos.
I love logos because it's like a name brand. It's like if you get a shirt with Supreme on the back, you know that kid means
But
business.
funny, John is gonna get a shirt that has a logo.
I know. I mean, like when it has big bold letters like Hollister, California Co.
I
I'm like,
love it.
why would I
because
want that?
It's
I
like
like
a
it.
name brand.
It
It's like-
depends on what it is.
It's a name brand.
Like Nintendo New York is fine.
That's fine because then it's like I've been there.
I don't know. I like it.
It depends on what the shirt is.
I guess.
Overalls.
All right. So this is an overalls dress. Guys. It's very nice.
Doohickey.
That's all it is. Just overall dress.
Hold it up.
Mike is trying to put my shirt on.
Ah. This is weird.
Yeah,
Mike is a ghost.
Mike is a ghost. Ghost train, Micah.
Yeah. An overall dress that is from a British website. So yeah. So it's called a dungarees,
Where's
right?
that?
That's the
Oh,
British word
Dungaroos.
for it. Dungarees.
I don't know.
Also, I knew I was getting these because I tried them on in the store, and let me just tell you, this stuff is
Comfy.
extra comfy. So it's this matching like tank top, this matching sleeveless shirt with pants, with nice pants. It's also made of very soft, stretchy material,
So,
and matching pants.
are those from Hollister?
Pantaloons.
Hollister uses very good fabric.
Very nice, very comfy.
Now I gotta snatch some things and bring them down. I got this Hollister black sweater thing, and I was just talking about logos, but this one's got a logo. Neato. But that logo's
Just
okay.
like mine. Look,
All
I got
right.
a logo right here.
Next, I got a long sleeve yellow shirt, and this one also has the words of the brand on it, but it depends on the shirt. So this one it works. Yeah, I agreed. It depends on the shirt. Okay, next we got black jeans, which I wear all the time because no other jeans are in my size and look good.
And look at that deal, $9.99.
Wow, what a whole deal, what a whole steal.
That is.
Alright, and lastly, and then I got this black and white striped shirt.
Yeah.
My other black and white shirt hurts everyone's eyes too.
Pull a classic hipster move and wear a black t-shirt over it.
Maybe I'll try that.
All right.
Mm-hmm, you're welcome.
Alright, so thank you parents for the free product.
And thank you, Bibo and Pals, for the free product. Alright, so thanks for watching. Comment, share, subscribe, thumbs up, click on Twitter, and see you later, alligator.
Peace out, YouTube.
See you next time.
Thanks for holding my clothes, peasant.
You're very welcome.
Click these rectangle buttons, click the circle to subscribe.
Wow.
What in the world? That was really quick.
I don't like saying it.
Bye, Micah. Bye-bye, Micah.
Bye.